Trucking businesses operating a fleet of 1 to 10 trucks need every advantage they can get to save money on fuel. After all, fuel is carriers' biggest expense after driver pay, so even a difference of 5 cents a gallon can make a huge impact on your bottom line. This is why a lot of owner-operators and fleet managers use Fuel Finder apps to compare prices and get the best deal on diesel. But there are some big problems with Fuel Finder apps, and these problems could be costing you money. I'm Caroline, your trucking business professor here at the Bobtail Help Desk. My goal is to help your trucking business thrive. If that sounds good to you, subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's talk about these problems with Fuel Finder apps and the solutions that you should be looking for in the technology you use. One of the main problems with Fuel Finder apps is that they have outdated pricing information. In an industry where fuel prices can change 3 to 4 times a day, relying on static information can be a costly mistake. Sometimes by the time you or your driver arrives to the fueling station, the information on your app is no longer accurate and the fuel price has just gone up. The solution to this is to make sure you are using a fuel finder that has real-time information that updates throughout the day, multiple times a day. Bobtail's Fuel Finder in our Fleet Card app updates 4 times a day, so you know you're always getting accurate information. Another problem with fuel finders is the limited network. Many apps will boast an extensive network of lots of different retailers and fuel stations, but the reality is often very different. These apps tend to prioritize the partnerships they have with specific retailers, usually those that offer things like showers, parking, and food. While these services can be very valuable, they do come at a premium, meaning that a lot of these fueling stations have higher baseline fuel prices. As a result, your app may not display all the fueling stations that are available, particularly leaving out local truck stops and regular gas stations that often have more competitive pricing. The solution? Seek out an app that shows you all the available fueling stations in your area. This ensures you can make the most informed decision based on price, convenience, and other services you need at the time. Our Fuel Finder does exactly that. It shows you all the available fueling stations regardless of the business relationship we have with that brand. The next problem with a lot of fuel finders are fuel discount programs. The promise of deep discounts on fuel is enticing to many, but they're not always what they seem. Most discount networks are associated with Fuel Finder apps that have relationships with specific retailers. Again, those retailers tend to have higher baseline prices for fuel. So the apparent savings of a deep discount could be totally negated by an inflated starting price. For example, you may see a discount advertised as 15 cents off per gallon, while the diesel at the speedway up the road is already 20 cents cheaper. The solution? Compare fuel prices after your discount to the baseline prices of other nearby fueling stations. Don't be swayed by the discounts on their own. Look at the entire cost of the fuel. Because the Bobtail Fuel Finder shows you all of the possible fueling stations, you'll always be able to compare the prices regardless of the discounts that we're offering. By now, you may be wondering how you get access to this incredible Fuel Finder app. The Bobtail Fuel Finder is available with our Fleet Card app that comes with the Bobtail Zero Mastercard. The Bobtail Zero Mastercard is the zero-fee fleet card that gives you more control over your fuel expenses and saves you money. You can use it anywhere Mastercard is accepted and get visibility of every fuel purchase on an easy-to-use platform. If you're interested in learning more, visit our website, bobtail.com. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more trucking business content. Let us know in the comments which Fuel Finder app you like to use. And don't forget to join our Facebook group, the Bobtail Help Desk, to get your questions answered by the experts here at Bobtail. And I'll see you in the next video.